Good afternoon, 7th graders. Mr. Mumley here, broadcasting from Manson, Washington. It's Tuesday night. I have to leave early tomorrow to go to Seattle for a 3-day conference, so I will not be here tomorrow, or today, tomorrow, or Friday. So just so you know, but that shouldn't be a problem because this class is very self-paced. It'll be great. But I do want to go over a couple things with Scratch. Some things I've already gone over, but we seem to be having some trouble. Okay. So let's start from the beginning, and I'll make this video as quick as I can. Let's go to the content library. Okay, remember the content library in OneNote is where I put stuff for you. You can't edit it, I can. I put stuff in there, it's for you. So right now we're on 10 block challenge. So if I go to the content library under assignments and I click 10 block challenge, there's our assignment. I've got a file, okay? I've got some instructions, I've got some questions, and I've got a rubric. The rubric will tell you exactly what you need to do to get your A or your B or your C. Okay, I'm going to let you look at the rubric yourself. Okay, that's how you get your points. I'm not going to go over it. I'm not going to spend any time on it, but you need to look at the rubric to determine how you're going to get your A. Okay. Now, every assignment that we do, you need to create a page with the same information in your notebook. So this page is called 10 Block Challenge, and it's got some instructions and some questions. So what I need to do is I need to highlight the instructions and the questions. I need to hit Control C, which is copy. It's a shortcut, so Control button, C button at the same time. I'm going to go down to Litzy because she's not in this class, and it's on an unused page. I don't know why she's on this notebook. It's my mistake. And then I'm going to paste. And to paste, you go Control V. So to copy, you go Control C. To paste, you go Control V. Got it? Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the content library, and you're going to actually download the file. So you double click and you hit download. Okay, now it's downloading now. And there she is. She's downloaded. I have a Mac, so it's going to look a little different than you guys, but here it comes. So here's my 10 block challenge. You're going to use the rubric. You're going to follow the instructions to create something using these 10 blocks, okay? Now, once you have completed your 10 block challenge, okay, that's where you share the link. So watch my little 10 block challenge. Boink. Pop. So that's my little 10 block challenge. Now, if I want to share it, I go to the top right hand corner and it says See Project Page. Okay, I hit See Project Page. If the share button has not been pressed, it'll be up here. It'll say share. You click share. Once you click share, you can go to the bottom here, and there's this button right here called embed. Okay, embed is basically where you can get a link, and the link is right here. Do you guys see this link right here? Okay, the link is sitting right there. Same thing. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. So I go Control C. I go back to my notebook when I'm done with my project. Oops, yeah, that's not right. That's me. Let's see here. Go to my page. Go here. Control V, and there's my link. My link is now in my assignment. Okay. Okay. A couple more things. When you're answering these questions, I think I've explained this to a couple of you. First of all, make sure you use complete sentences. A lot of times I'm getting people with one-word answers. So make sure it's nice and complete, nice and long. Two more things. When you hit enter, it automatically goes to number 2. You don't want that to say number 2, so just hit backspace once, get rid of the number 2. Okay, because that's not, your answer is not question number 2. Your answer is just the answer. Now, if I start typing right now, it's going to be bold letters. And if I were to turn it in, and I've graded some of these like this, it looks confusing because you have a bold question with bold letters. To unbold your answer, you can highlight it, and you can click the B, and that unbolds your answer. So now I can type my answer, and it's not bolded. Okay, same thing down here. I hit enter. I don't want that 3 there, so I backspace. You can also hit Control B, okay, and you can start writing in non-bolded letters. Okay, so it should look nice. You should have a bolded question, non-bolded answer, bolded question, non-bolded answer. Okay, you should have your excuse me, your link right here. Okay, so that's how you do it. okay? You copy and paste the questions into a new page, you create your 10 block challenge, you share, you copy the link in here, and then you answer the questions in a non-bold font, okay? Last thing I'll say is this. You have all day to do the 10 block challenge. If you get into class today, you're 10 minutes into class today, and you say, I'm done, no, you're not, okay? Spend the full class period working on 10 block challenge and do your best, because you can do a very good job. If you think you're done, keep working until the end of class, and then you can paste that link in there. But don't forget the questions either. Tomorrow we're doing something called Scenes. I think you'll enjoy it. And then Friday is Free Scratch Friday, where you get to have free time on Scratch. You can create or play games on Scratch. And I hope you guys enjoy. We will see you on Monday.